Dear students, welcome to Economics, Unit number 3, Money and Credit. In this video, let us discuss about the answers for the questions which are given in Unit number 3. After watching this video, click below, you will get the links of previous chapters. Let's begin. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable answers. First one, barter is exchange of goods for dash. Answer is goods. Second one, check is a dash form of money. Answer is bank. Check is a bank form of money. Third one, the Reserve Bank of India was established in the year dash. Answer is 1935. Fourth one, the currency of Japan is dash. Answer is yen. Fifth one, Government of India nationalized 14 commercial banks in dash. Answer is 1969. Sixth one, narrow money comprises of dash and dash. Answer is M1 and M2. Seventh one, inflation occurs when supply of money is dash than the availability of goods and services in a country. Answer is more. Inflation occurs when supply of money is more than the availability of goods and services in a country. Let's move to second main. Answer the following questions. First question, what is barter system? If the goods are exchanged for goods without the use of money, then it is called as barter system. Second question, explain the meaning and functions of money. Money is anything which is widely accepted in payment for goods or in discharge of other business obligations. This is the meaning of money. Now let's see the functions of money. First function, primary or main functions. Under this, first one, medium of exchange or means of payment. Second one, measure of value. Second function, secondary functions. Under this, first one, standard of deferred payments. store of value. Third one, transfer of value. Let's move to third question. Explain the functions of RBI. The functions of RBI are monopoly of note issue, banker to government, bankers bank, national clearing house, controller of credit, custodian of foreign exchange reserves, promotion of banking habits. These are the functions of RBI. Let's move to fourth question. Explain the various concepts of money supply used in India. There are four concepts of money supply. First one, M1 equal to currency notes and coins plus net demand deposits held in commercial banks. Second one, M2 equal to M plus M1 plus savings deposits with post office savings bank. Third one, M3 equal to M1 plus net time deposits of commercial banks. Fourth one, M4 equal to M3 plus total deposits with post office savings banks. These are the various concepts of money supply used in India. Fifth and the last question. Discuss the various credit control methods adopted by RBI. First one, quantitative credit control measures. Under quantitative credit control measures, first one, bank rate policy. Second one, open market operations. Third one, varying reserve requirements, legal reserve ratio. Second credit control measure is qualitative credit control measures. Under this, first one, change in lending margins. Second one, ceiling on credit or credit rationing. Third one, moral suasion. Fourth one, direct action. These are the various credit control methods adopted by RBI.